Hi, my name's Maggie Keller, and I don't have any real news to report, so I'm just gonna report on my family. So first off, my mom had been going to work because her work is considered essential. So she had been going, but then her office actually ended up having a corona scare. So she ended up taking the proper time off that she needed to. During that time off, my mom worked from home on the computer in our office, and she also learned how to cook a new recipe. And she's just been hanging out, being safe, quarantining herself so none of us got sick, which luckily she wasn't sick, she tested negative. But now she's back at work this week, and fingers crossed it all goes well. So the next report I have is on my dad. So my dad received some time off, so he's been doing a lot of yard work. He's been painting the fences in the backyard, and then he worked on building this sort of garden area where now him and my mom are gonna work on planting some things for during quarantine and post-quarantine, and they hope to keep that up. And my dad's also been working on making homemade pizzas, which are really good, and he's just been cooking a lot, and it's just really nice. So with keeping on track with the idea of my dad cooking, here's a nice vlog of my dad trying to teach me how to make soup.
I'm going to show Maggie how to make pasta fazool. So you're going to start by putting in a 1/4 cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter into the pot.
Oh my god, I'm actually becoming a chef. Yay!
Alright, the next step is 4 ounces of cubed pan cheddar. And we're going to brown that in the butter and oil.
Is this all of this?
Mm-hmm. Alright, so we're going to let that go for a little bit. Alright, next we're going to add some onion and a little bit of chopped garlic.
Do you trust me? I wouldn't trust me.
And garlic now.
I totally know what I'm doing.
We have to let that cook down for a little bit. So maybe we'll pause it now. The onions have sweated down and the garlic. We're going to now add 3 quarts of chicken broth that we made yesterday. Commit when you pour them in.
Commit?
Yep, just pour them in.
Was that committing enough?
Very good.
Why is this scary?
It's not. It's just you. I'm going to turn it up. Alright, next is 3 cans of beans that have been rinsed and drained.
Because we're clean.
Can of tomatoes, any kind. And last but not least, our handy packet of herbs, which is bay leaves, thyme, and rosemary.
Stapled together.
Into the pot. Right now we have to let it boil and simmer for a while, and we'll be back. Alright, the soup has been boiling. The last 2 steps are to blend it, which Maggie's going to do. Put it under. And just press the button. It only works when you hold it in. Good job. Unplug that for me. So now all we have to do is add 1.5 cups of pasta and let it simmer for a while.
Yay. Yay. Easy part.
Stir it good. Alright, good job. Maggie will be back when she comes to eat it.
That is true. And that is the conclusion of my segment. Thank you.